I don't know if I had a financial strategy, to be honest, outside of just kind of keeping afloat. I kind of had bought into the typical thing, work, pay your bills. When you needed something, that was above what you had in cash, and, use credit. I was funding my 401k, things like that. It was, again, pretty much what everybody does, and no one seems to succeed at very well. Problem that I wanted to fix, that I, went looking into IBC, was I would log on and see the balance of my 401k, and then I would either have an opportunity, be it to purchase equipment for my business, or a need with a car repair or something, and I look at my checking and savings account and I didn't have enough to do it. And then I'd look over at this balance in the 401k and I'd think to myself, well, why is all that money there and I can't do anything with it? And when I did take out a loan to use it, it was inconvenient. They go right to your payroll and start taking the money out the next week. And so as I heard about IBC, really the purpose for me was to have those funds that are working for me in the background, but also available for me, in the right now. So it's allowed me to kind of pull my personal finances together and understand how money's working for me, as opposed to my money working for other people. What I like to explain to people is kind of what we talked about earlier, is the accessibility of the funds while they're still actually growing behind the scenes, the guaranteed growth as opposed to the fluctuations with the market, the tax benefits for using that money once you do retire. Once you make the decision to do something that's not mainstream or typical, you kind of gotta dig into it, or you won't have the confidence to go against the grain unless you really believe